Welcome back to Sticky Fingers Entertainment. Today I'm still on the river. It's kind of like the best spot I think we're able to get some fish. Got one jumping right there. Oh, this guy's about to net one. Nice. Just kind of reeling it in there. Got this one just chilling by me here. To the water. Oop. Oh, he got it. There he goes. Take my lens cover off. Shoot. There we go. Always keep your lens cover down. Never drop your camera. It's not good. As you can see, it's not too bad of a day. Sun's trying to poke its head out a little bit here. Weather's cooperating. So you got these guys to my left, or my right here, out fishing. Just kind of a nice little spot right here in the middle. See them pull up a little bit. This guy just wants to go. Trying to get me wet. Looks like this guy's got something on there, maybe. Not a whole lot of fish jumping today, but kind of calm day. Oh, I'm gonna jump over here. This guy's got a koozie attached to his pole. Are you serious? Oh, you got it in your thing. No, I thought you had a koozie stuck to your pole or something. I'm like, this guy's got a freaking... Nice little quiet day on the river here. I almost want to say this is the most quiet I've seen it in a couple days.
I've been down here 20 minutes ago. We're about 6, 7 more time.
Ah. Well, I guess you saw just the timing, right? It's all your timing, I guess. Kind of an edge on the rock, dude. back this way again. This guy just wheeling out there. Wind's starting to pick up now a little bit here. Just got really quiet. Like and subscribe. I need 1,000 viewers so I can go live.
Just packed all my shit up. This is literally day 41 in a row.
Did you get enough fish though?
Huh?
How many fish? You get some fish?
Oh, probably 70.
Oh wow.
40 days, yeah.
Yeah, right? It's a good source of protein.
I don't eat that yet.
No?
I'm gonna fight.
Fellow subscribe. Hope he subscribes. Quiet day on the river. Holy crap. Oh, we got this guy trucking up the river. This is the point where I actually kind of wish I didn't lose my drone and fly it around and see what's going on, but unfortunately it is a little windy today, so not the most favorable conditions. But actually, I think I'm going to make my way this way, see what I can get here. This way. Excuse me, guys.
Next year when you film, you gotta come down this way.
Yeah.
You always stop at the rocks down there.
Yeah. What's that?
You always stop at the rocks down there. Come down this way next year.
Trying to get everywhere, just start somewhere. My video will be a lot better next year. I have more toys to play with, hopefully. Like I said, like and subscribe. I need 1,000 viewers to go live. So next year, hopefully, I'll be live on the river.
What's your
Sticky Fingers Entertainment.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, I literally watched some of your videos the other day because I wanted to see if I was on any of them. And you stopped up there. I'm like, son of a bitch!
Yeah. It was a test runs and trying to see. I think I got another video actually that goes up farther than that.
You had a couple of them.
I ended up trying to go way down here to that big long bridge,
Yeah.
and I got underneath the bridge flying, and I lost signal. Went right in the river. My poor drone.
Yeah, that's a pretty deep cabin.
Yeah.
Like
Great for filming though. It's beautiful view down there. Oh, we got a fish jumping here. Look at that. Get some luck. Oh, he's jumping. Nice. What's that?
3rd and 4th week of September, there's about 15 of us that come that have fished here a long time.
Try and get you in the camera shot too.
Just know how to do it. Not me,
You guys
Right.
get to see a lot of kids
but
playing the fish because we always give our rods to the kids that are down here.
Nice.
my 4-year-old grandson can do anything.
He'll be a pro fisherman by the time he's telling you what to do.
I
I had that happen already, so it's kind of shocking. That's when you know you're getting old, but that's all right. I'm like, you know that. What else can you learn?
The fighting rock. That's where we put all the kids.
Oh,
They
Just to
stand-
go-
They stand right here and they fight the fish.
Oh, that's awesome.
Our goal is by 9 o'clock in the morning to have them sleeping in the yard.
Probably will be. That's all right. We know the secret coffee right there. We got it all made. Oh, awesome.
It's like making these little knots out.
Well, I guess I'll continue my adventure down
right.
the rocks.
Have a good one. Take care.
Hope to see these guys next year. Live TV action here going. This is kind of interesting. I think I've run out of rocks. This is interesting. Nope, there's always a way. All right, we might have to do some rock climbing though. Holy crap. Pays to be in shape. All right, here we go, back out. Got this guy in the river. See, you want to catch him fishing here for a minute?
For a walk.